To edit an invoice template in Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Visit Xero and log into your account. Navigate to Invoice Settings. Go to Business Invoices from the main menu. Click on Invoice Settings in the top right corner. Choose a template to edit. Under the Branding Theme section, you will see a list of existing invoice templates. Select the template you want to edit by clicking on its name. Edit template details. Update fields like the template name, logo, and default title for invoices. Customize the payment terms, invoice footer, and contact information. Adjust font size, text alignment, and design options to match your branding. Customize columns and layout. Click on Options, edit columns to adjust the data fields displayed on the invoice. Preview and save. Click Preview to see how your edited invoice will look. Once satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. Set as default. If needed, set the edited template as the default for future invoices by marking it as default.